Important general knowledge questions and answers on first Indian woman in various fields. Part 2. Who is the first woman of Indian origin to go to space? Sri Kalpana Chawla. Who is the first Indian woman IPS officer? Sri Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi was the first woman to join the Indian Police Service IPS training on 16th of July 1972. She was in service till 2007 and currently serves as the Governor of Pondicherry. Who is the first Indian woman IAS officer? Sri Anna Rajam Malhotra. Anna Rajam Malhotra was an Indian Administrative Service officer. She was the first woman in India to hold this position. Malhotra belonged to the 1951 batch of the IAS. Who is the first woman judge in Supreme Court of India? Sri M. Fatima Bibi. The first female justice in the court was Fatima Bibi, appointed on 6th of October 1989. Who is the first woman Finance Minister of India? Sri Nirmala Sitharaman. Who is the first Indian woman appeared on Times magazine cover? Sri Parveen Babi. Parveen Babi on Times magazine cover was the first for Bollywood. Who is the first Indian woman boxer to win a gold medal in Asian Games? Sri MC Mary Kom. MC Mary Kom was the first Indian woman boxer to win a gold medal in Asian Games in 2014. Who was the first Indian woman to win a medal in badminton at the Olympics? Sri Saina Nehwal. Who is the first woman pilot to fly solo in the Indian Air Force? Sri LT Harita Kaur Deol. Flight LT Harita Kaur Deol was a pilot in the Indian Air Force. She became the first woman pilot to fly solo in the Indian Air Force in 1994. Who is the first Indian woman to join the Indian Army? Sri Priya Jingan. Priya Jingan is an Indian Army officer and lady cadet number 1 and silver medalist from the first batch of 25 lady officers who were commissioned in the Indian Army in 1993. Who is the first Indian woman athlete to win a gold medal at the Asian Games? Sri Kamaljeet Sandhu. Kamaljeet Sandhu is an Indian female athlete who won gold medal at 1970 Bangkok Asian Games in 400-meter race. She ran the distance in 57.3 seconds. She was the first Indian woman athlete to win gold medal at Asian Games. Who is the first lady loco pilot? Sri Surekha Shankar Yadav. Surekha Yadav is a female loco pilot or train driver of the Indian Railways in India. She became India's first female train driver in 1988. Who is the first woman to become Director General of Police or DGP of a state? Sri Kanchan Chowdhury Bhattacharya. She was the first woman to become Director General of Police of a state. Kanchan Chowdhury Bhattacharya was the second woman officer in Indian Police Service or IPS in India, the first being Kiran Bedi, a 1973 batch IPS officer. Who is the first woman lawyer in India? Sri Cornelia Sorabji. Cornelia Sorabji became the first woman to practice law in India after she received a first-class degree from Bombay University in 1888. British supporters helped to send her to Oxford University. Who is the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft? Sri Sarla Thakral. Sarla Thakral was the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft. She earned an aviation pilot license in 1936 at the young age of 21 and flew a Gypsy Moth solo. Who is the first Indian woman Lieutenant General of the Indian Army? Sri Hunita Arora. Who is the first Indian woman wrestler to win a gold medal at the Asian Games? Sri Vinesh Phogat. Vinesh Phogat won the gold medal at 2018 Asian Games and became the first Indian woman wrestler to win gold in the Asian Games. Who is the first woman Chief Election Commissioner of India? Sri V.S. Ramadevi. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Oscar award? Sri Bhanu Athaya. Bhanu Athaya, who won an Oscar for her work in the 1983 epic film Gandhi. Who is the first Indian woman to become the Chief Justice of a state high court? Sri Laila Seth. Laila Seth was an Indian judge who served as the first woman judge on the Delhi High Court and became the first woman to become Chief Justice of a state high court, Himachal Pradesh High Court, on 5th of August 1991.
Thank you for watching.